What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Right here is a 2018 Chevy Traverse. 2018 Chevy Traverse. I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery. I'm going to show you how to take it out, replace it, and put it back from start to finish. I will show you guys the points first, then I will show you guys the work. All right. With that said, guys, let's get to work. All right, guys. These are the tools that you guys gonna need. I'll get yourself an extension, okay? The number 13 socket, number 13, number 10, okay? Number 10. Get yourself a hand ratchet and a flathead screwdriver. All right. You're gonna also get yourself a clip tool remover. Those are the tools that you're gonna need for to get this job done. Over here on the job site, we'll go ahead and close this down. The first thing what I want you guys to do is move this from here, right there. This is where this piece comes in at, this tool. This is a number 10 socket. You're going to take that screw from there, go ahead and turn that screw to the left. You're going to turn all these screws, the bolts and nuts to the left. Take that one from there and this one. And then you're going to take this bracket from out your way, okay? Then you guys see this cord right here. You're going to get that cord from there, okay? It's pretty simple. You see this gray one right here, the gray one, that is a safety clip. Let's go in and push it back just like that. Then you use the same flathead, and you're gonna put it right between the groove right there and pry it up. See, you're gonna pry this piece up. There's a black piece up on the later. You're gonna pry it up and you're gonna pull this part out. See, it comes right off. You see that black piece right there? You're gonna pry it up and go and pull that part off. All right, and then you see here, let me get this light. I want you guys to see. You're going to use a clip remover, which is this one, and you're going to go ahead and take off this thing here. Go ahead and take off this. Okay, go ahead and take off that piece and move that wire from out your way. Then I want you guys to loose that nut right there. See that nut? That is the number 10, which is this one. You're going to loose it. Do not take it off all the way, just partially, and you're gonna hold this thing and twist it and take it off. Then you're gonna come over here, take this piece off of there, flip it up, take the whole thing off, guys. The whole thing pops off, okay? This one over here, I want you guys to loose that. That is a number 13, which is this one. Number 13. You're gonna put it on here, and you're gonna turn that to the left. You're gonna loose that. You're gonna take that nut from there, and you're gonna loose this one as well. Loose that 10 right there. Loose that 10 partially. Go ahead and take off this piece, okay? When you guys loose that one and this thing does not turn, go ahead and stuck your flathead screwdriver right between the middle of it and pry it, and then it comes off, okay? And then once you take off this piece, then we're gonna move this piece out the way, okay? This piece out the way. Then once this piece comes off, I will show you guys how to take off this piece. Then I'm not finished. Guys, see that nut down there? That is a number 13, which is this one, okay? You're gonna use the extension. We're gonna put these two together. Go ahead and take that nut from right there, take it out all the way, and then take out that bracket. That is what holding down the battery, guys. This nut and this bracket right here is what actually is holding down the battery, okay? So go ahead and take out this nut and take out that battery, take out that nut and that bracket, and then we're gonna take this piece off the way. Once we get that nut from there and the bracket and this piece out your way, you're gonna hold the bracket and push the bracket forward this way, and then you're gonna grab this piece right here, the handle, along with this one. You're gonna pull the battery out of there. The reason why I told you guys to push back the battery backwards, because this battery is right between the groove. It's slid, it's up on the near the groove. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. All right. That said, stay tuned and watch the work. On this one, guys, I will be using my cordless drill because it's time consuming and more quicker. Number 10 socket. 1, 2. Inside there, you're gonna you see? That's why I told you guys to take that from there, okay? Very important. See, now it's loose. It's loose. Put that from right there. See, now it's loose. Now we're gonna take these things loose. With the battery cable, the battery terminal. See that? It comes right off. Just loose it partially. Don't take it off all the way. Loose it partially, just like that. See, it's partially. Put that side. Now we're gonna take that 13 from there. That's one. See, partially. See, it comes right off. Just hold it and puts it off of there. Comes right off. Okay. Now, next thing right here, guys, on the side right there, it's 2 clips. Go ahead and use the tool and you're gonna pry the clip up. Okay? You see? Just hold it up and pry the clips up and it comes off. It's the same thing for the back side of it. Just like that, guys. See, it comes right off. See, guys, these are the clips that I'm talking about. You see, these 2 things, those are clips. Just go ahead and pry them out your way. It's 2 on the front and 2 on the back. Just pry it and move it from out your way. Now that thing is loose. You're gonna take that one from down there. All the way, completely. See? The long nut comes right out, long screw. Then go reach back down there, guys. Take that piece out. That's what's holding the battery. This piece right here. This is what's holding the battery. That and the long bolt right there. Then you're gonna pick these handle up, just like that. Go and slid the battery backwards, back this way, and put it out. See that? Just slid it back and up with it. You know what, guys? I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and take this thing from out the way, just to make things more easier for you guys, because I want you guys to be able to take this battery out this vehicle with no problem. So we're going to take this piece off, which is very simple. Watch it. See these 2? Take them 2 off. Just those 2. Just take those 2 off. Okay, guys, it's simple. Just take them 2 off. That's it, 2. See, it's 2 of them. That's one. All right, come on, baby. What are you playing with? Just like that. Just hold the thing and pry it off of there. Comes off. That's two. That's two of them. Unclip it again. Unclip it. The two big ones, and go take the two small ones from there. All right, it's the two big ones and the two small ones. One, two. That's it, guys. Man, see, that comes right off. It's the two small ones and the two big ones. Take that bad boy now. See, now we got room now to pull the battery all the way out. So pull that aside, just like that. Grab the battery and go up to it, because we slide it back already. Now go up with it. Grab it and go up. Bam. Comes right out. That's how you do that. See? Comes right out. All right. Let me show. See, guys? See here? There's a groove right there. That's the battery slides in that groove. So when you put back the battery, just slide it back in the groove. Put that piece back along with the nut. Okay, but that's how you take out the battery, baby. That's how you replace the battery. Now let's put this thing back. It's very easy. Just put everything back in reverse. Put it back in reverse and put this thing back. All right, guys, it's time to put this thing back. Grab it, go up with it, set this bad boy down. Make sure that these things is out your way. Then you're gonna hold the battery and slide it back in the groove. That. Now, before you guys put these things on, put this piece on first, okay? Put this piece on first. Now, you make sure the hole right there is line up with the hole in the bottom, and go in and put back your nut. Just take your you're gonna take this 13. Put a piece of tape, guys. Put a piece of tape around it. Just like that. Tape. Put on what that does. I need more. Get some tape, right? Pick piece of tape. Put it around the nut. Double it. Put it on there. Now it's steady. It won't move on you. Put it on the extension. Put it down inside the groove. guys, you make sure the nut is the screws in there, and turn the screw with your hand until you feel it going in. Go in freely. I hate this stuff, man. Then you go and tie it up, guys. Tie it up. See that? That is tied. That battery ain't going nowhere, guys. Now look, gotta test it. See? Battery's in there. It ain't going nowhere. It's in there, okay? Good to go. Now we're gonna put back this piece on there. Okay guys, now that we got the battery in there, go ahead and fold the arms down and put this piece back. Just push them things out your way, guys. And press this thing back down. That's it. Go ahead and put these things back. We're gonna do the small ones first. That's one. That's two. That's three. That's four. Now we're gonna tie those back down. One, two, three, four. Now let's put back. Go ahead and grab this one, the positive, put it back on there. We're gonna tie this piece back. Tie that back. Make sure it's nice and tight. Go ahead and shake it. Then get this one. Put that back. Put the nut back over it. Tie that down, just like that. There's two of them. Tie those back. Go ahead and put back the cover over it. Guys, that's it. Once you put back that cover, put back this bracket on there. What's going on? What's going on, Baba? What's going on? Go ahead and tie these two things back. Tie that back. Tie that back. And that's it, guys. The process is finished, guys. See? It's not that hard, guys. Trust me, it's pretty easy. Just follow the instructions, you'll be all right. Okay, guys, as you guys can see, it wasn't that hard to replace that battery. Just take your time. Take your time. Watch the video. Pay attention, and you're gonna be fine. Okay. With that said, please hit that like, guys. Bang that subscribe button. Support the channel. I will see you guys on the next battery removal video, baby. It's your boy Work here, checking out. Bam.